Every time you blink, you get $10. But Morgan Freeman will narrate your life for as long as you live. Receive $1 million, but you have to go back in time and survive Titanic. You gain 10 IQ points, but the first person when you click share and then more will lose 10 IQ points. You find your soulmate, but you'll never be able to live in the same city. You become the most famous actor, but you'll never be able to watch your own movies. You become the most attractive person in the world, but you'll never be able to see your own reflection. You become the most successful entrepreneur, but you'll lose all your friends.